Buying XRP in 2016 is like buying WTK right now in 2024 and probably even more opportunistic. Other than check, I've not seen a project this complete at this level of market capitalization. It's either a 100x or going to zero. And tomorrow we have an AMA on February 13th. And while I'm not expecting too much, we could get an update on the VARA approval with 72 licenses ready to be awarded out. One of them will be for WadzPay. And so with that being said, let's discuss why I think WTK is a winner for 2024. Now, if you want more WadzPay videos, make sure you leave a like down below. And if you want the best WadzPay information, subscribe down below. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first, I want to show you something very quickly for your benefit. Now, not only is there discounts in the description down below for the Decent Hardware Wallet, but when you actually buy one, you get 24 XRP for free, and with the chance of winning 2024 XRP, which well overpays for the wallet and more. So once you do that, go down to this poll, I'll leave it in the description, enter your address and submit that. Reminder, this is a cold storage wallet like Ledger, an alternative with many more cryptos on that wallet. Check the links in the description down below. Now first, for WadzPay, I want to go to the Digital Currency Conference, which is very important for WadzPay. A lot of these participating organizations, big names like the Bank of International Settlements, the central bank of all central banks, all these banks listed here, central banks, financial services, Federal Reserve, IMF, Ripple, Stellar, and down at the bottom, we have WadzPay. And again, we see Ripple, Stellar, and WadzPay mentioned together at awards and various events. The difference is that Stellar and Ripple are well known and respected, but WadzPay is still called a scam. Why is that? It's because you're early and it's not popular opinion. You have to take your own initiative and do your own research rather than depending on years worth of research laid out for you. You have to do it yourself. And here is a few examples of their awards and events. So with WadzPay at Cybos 2022, the global financial services event organized by Swift. We also have them at Digital Currency Conference back in 2023 and a finalist for Best Innovation in Digital Currency. We also have them as a nominee for Payment Provider of the Year, and the founder Anish voted as one of the most inspirational leaders. And that is just a few examples, but no, it's going to zero. It's a scam because some anonymous account on Twitter, X, said so. I believe the majority are usually wrong in things, and this is representative in terms of views on YouTube. For example, videos on ComAI, WTK, Check, NXRA get the least amount of views, but in my opinion, in my portfolio, will probably grant the most returns. And on to other news, we again have Bob McCooey, the vice chairman of NASDAQ, replying and endorsing WadzPay. Reminder, what is his job? He is responsible for business developments for listings in both Latin America and Asia Pacific, ensuring long-term partnerships and relationships. I don't think it's a coincidence at all. Also, we have WadzPay partner TokoIn celebrating their recent exchange listings at Atani and Gate.io. I think it's a tell for what's to come for WadzPay. And speaking about partnerships, let's go into some of these. So we have Gaida here. Partnership WadzPay, they have over 150,000 merchants, 75% market share, the biggest fintech company in Saudi, and top 25 in the Middle East. And with this partnership, they're offering e-money wallets on their mobile devices, solving the refund problem with the goal of 30 million by 2030. And now on to Bisonic's solution for digital currency hedging. It's important to note they received their FINRA approval to operate as a broker and applied for 8 patents. With WadzPay, they will offer global use cases to merchant acquirers. And last, we have Jumio, identity verification technology, one of the best in that business. That's just a few examples of partnerships with a $13 million market cap project. So much potential. The majority of cryptos in my portfolio, I'm priced out on. They're above my entry points. With WTK, it's still palatable. You can still invest at these levels, not far from the lows of, September, August time. Now on to other news, we have the actual wallet holders. I'm surprised by the actual number, 8,600 holders. For example, for reference, this is a $13 million market cap project. For example, Tau, $3.4 billion market cap with around 92,000 accounts. And now moving on to Meta, great find here from the financial service provider in Africa. We can see it's changed from number allocated to applied. If we go back to a previous AMA summary by WadzPay Jack in late 2023, we can say they want to position themselves as a large player in Africa, and that's what they're doing, going through the regulatory process. So we have progress in Dubai, UAE, South Africa. Where is next? And last, we have price. We are in a downtrend of accumulation. We are higher lows every single time on the yearly. When the breakouts take place, I do not know. All I know is to dollar cost average in these downturns of accumulation when max fund is in the market in August, September, and a breakout comes out of nowhere. It'll probably come this time when there's more accessibility and other exchange listing other than BitTree. But that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed this one, go and check out the video in the top right corner explaining WadzPay in detail when it comes to use case, team, and much more. And before you go, a quick announcement for Digital Wealth Society in the Discord. The chat section will finally now be open to the public, but these sections are going to be closed off, and it's up to you whether you want to join for your benefit or not. You know, everyone in a bull run is a genius, but entry points you would have got before it was made on the channel was Tau at $50, check around 2 to 3 cents, and call me around 50 cents, 5-10x up from those entry points. Alternatively, you can wait for the website to be out because a lot of people are having problems with the channel membership section. But it made this fun video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.